If you've ever wanted to make fast, accurate selections in Photoshop CS6, especially for objects with simple backgrounds, today's video will show you exactly how to do that using the Magic Wand tool. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly select an image, like our example bunny, and add a customized gradient color, all with just a few clicks. This is a great foundational skill for simple edits, creative projects, and understanding how selections work in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, make sure you have Photoshop CS6 open. If you haven't already, go ahead and launch it. If you're new to Photoshop, the welcome screen can seem a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, we'll take this one step at a time. Once the program loads, either open up the image you want to work on or use the sample image with the bunny, like I'll be doing today. It's important to have a picture ready because the Magic Wand tool works by selecting areas in your image based on color and tone. Now head over to the toolbar on the left side of the screen. If you don't immediately see the Magic Wand tool, look for the icon that looks a bit like a sparkly stick or a magic wand, which, yes, matches its name. Sometimes the Magic Wand tool is hidden behind the Quick Selection tool. If you see a brush with a dotted outline instead, just right-click on it, and you'll be able to select the Magic Wand tool from the dropdown. Here where the magic comes in. The Magic Wand tool is fantastic for quickly selecting areas of similar color. For our demonstration, I'm going to click anywhere on the bunny's body. When you do this, Photoshop analyzes the pixels and color values under your cursor and instantly selects the surrounding area that matches. If your bunny has a simple, solid color background, you'll notice how easy it is for Magic Wand to isolate just the bunny without snagging the background. Now, if your selection isn't quite perfect, maybe it missed part of an ear or the outline looks a bit jagged, don't panic. You can adjust the tolerance value up at the top of the screen. Increasing the tolerance will select more color variation, while decreasing it keeps the selection tighter. Think of it like adjusting the settings on a metal detector. Higher sensitivity will find more, but sometimes you want to be precise. With your bunny now beautifully outlined, it's time to add a pop of color using a gradient. Gradients are just transitions between two or more colors, and they really help bring depth and style to your edits. On your toolbar, find the gradient tool. It looks like a square fading from black to white. Click on it to activate. If you can't find it, it might be hiding under the paint bucket tool. Just right-click that icon and choose gradient from the list. Here's the fun part. Choose your gradient colors up at the top options bar. You can pick from presets or create your own by clicking the colorful preview box. Once you've picked, bring your cursor over to the bunny shape you selected. Now drag your mouse across the selection. This is a bit like painting a stripe or drawing a line. Where you start is where the first gradient color appears. Where you release the mouse will be the second color. Try dragging in different directions to see how the colors blend. And there you go, that's how you use the Magic Wand tool to select an object in Photoshop CS6, then add a vibrant gradient for creative flair. If your result doesn't look perfect the first time, don't worry. Mastery comes with a bit of practice, and selections get easier the more you experiment. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for other Photoshop topics you'd like to see. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. See you in the next video.